day to you all. Welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be walking you through how to design an attractive business flyer using PixelLab. In my previous lesson I taught how to use Canva to do same thing. So today we'll be using PixelLab, and one of the advantages of PixelLab is that you don't need data to do all these things. You can do it all without your data. So let's dive in. Just stick around to the end of this video. I'll not make it too long, but it's going to be very simple and easy to follow. Stick around. So I'm going to be offing my camera. I'll off it to avoid distraction. So guys, this is the app we'll be using, PixelLab. Let me show you. This is the app I will be using, PixelLab, to do this. So in case you don't know how to get it, just go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and type PixelLab. I won't go through that process because of time. So all you need to do, once you go to your Play Store and you type PixelLab, you will see it. This is the logo, this is the name. All you need to do is download it, install it, and you are good to go. So I will dive in. All you need to do is open the app, you click it, you get a new project. So I'm just going to give you a brief explanation of all the tools, working tools here. Here are the default background, so you can choose the one you want. In this case we are going to be choosing white so that we can customize it ourselves. Here, these are some default background. You can just select and work on anyone or work with anyone you want to. This is a text area where you input your text if you want to. So this is the point where you can be able to import image. You can draw any shape of your choice. You can create any shape of your choice, like for example, if you want square, if you want triangle, if you want any shape, you can get them in this place. U shape, this at this point, this place where you get them. So here is a background. If you want to edit the background size, the transparency, background color, the background image, this is where. Now take note of where I was. This is where I mean here. This place is for the background editing. Are you following me? This place is the default background. Let me go back so that you follow. Here is the default background. Here, I hope you are following. Then here, the second stroke is the text. If you want to edit your text, like if you want to edit your text, here you have the text edit, delete, copy, and whatever. So here is for the elements. What I mean by elements, you can draw a shape, you can import images, you can import anything you want to import, you can edit on it. You have the shape, you have the brazier, you have whatever thing you need here. So here is your background editor. Here is the background editor. So when you click on it, you'll be able to adjust your background. We'll be doing it now. While here is the brightness, where you can enhance your design. You can give it brightness, give it whatever look you want it to take, sharpen it, the hue, whatever. So for the purpose of this lesson, I'll be going through everything from the scratch so that you understand it better. So I'm going to customize my background. So this is where I will go to first this one. I hope you can see my cursor. Okay, let me use this one. Oh no, let me use this one so that you know. Now you can see better. So when you go there, you click on it. If you click on it now you scroll to image size. I hope you know where I clicked on image size here. So when you click on image size, you can customize it. So I want to design a 4-corner flyer, so I'm going to change it to 1080 to 1320. This is the size I want. You can see that is it. It have changed from what it used to be. Before it was 1:1, that is a square. Now it is in a rectangular form. So I'm done with the sizing. So I can, if I want to change the color, so I'll come to color. I'll come to color here. I hope you can see this cycle here. Color, that is it. So I'll click on color. Now if you click on color, if you want a single color, you can select among all these colors here to give it a single color. Let's say for example you click on this, it will give you a single color. That's for the beginners. If you are a beginner, you can restrict yourself from single by using a single color. Are you getting what I'm saying? But if you want to go more advanced, like I'll be doing today, so you can do something we call gradients by selecting many colors. So all you need to do is, before it was on color single, which means a solid color. Now gradient, meaning 2 colors. So what I'm going to do, I want to mix 2 different colors in this my background. So what I will do is I will click on this plus button. Now this line you see, this line you are seeing is simply this line is simply telling us how to adjust our color. Now just watch what I will do. Maybe I want it in this way. You can see, you can notice the change. Are you getting it? If you want, now we are working on the dark area. Are you seeing? We are working on the dark area. So if you want to work on the light area, you bring it here. Now you will notice an active. Anytime you click here, you will notice here is now active. So now you see we are working on the lighter area. Are you getting it? But if you tap here become active. Sorry, this is my. If you tap here become active. So you are working on the dark area. Are you getting what I'm saying? You can still use this to move it. You can use here to move between these places. Are you getting it? Now if you are done doing it, all you need to do is, you don't want this color, right? So you can still, after adjusting what you want, something like this or like this or like this, you can come here to select this last one. Now to select a color of your choice. Now you can select a matured color. Let's say something like this for the background. Are you getting it? So make it something like this, not too. Now take note, if you are editing, you take note of this point so that you'll be seeing what you are doing until you get what you want. Are you following? So we'll tweak it to get what we want. Here is the transparency. I don't want it to be transparent. I want it to be something like this, or you use here to get what you want. Once you click on it, you get OK. That's for this darker one. Are you getting it? So you can adjust it to something like this. So this is how we want it to be. So we'll come to this lighter place, we'll come to the color. Now we can select any color of our choice, something this nature. This is just a test. I'm just going to use it to just show you how to do these things. So let's make it something like this. So bring it here. and here is already solid, so give it a touch of reddish. It looks as if it's a golden color, so we give it okay here. Are you getting it? We now have two colors. So what are we going to do? We give it this way, this color, so we can reduce it, the level at which the color is there. We can add it, we can reduce it, we can move it down. Are you getting it now? And notice the color is changing, so we can add it, we can reduce it. We are reducing it, so we'll bring this one like this, then we'll take this one this way. I think we'll have something matured, so we'll take this one here, take it here like this, then we'll bring this one here too. I think the color is okay now, so we now have something this way. So what are we going to do? We click on OK. Alright, now what do we do now? Today we'll be designing a flyer. We'll be designing a flyer for a clothing line, and other ones I've done for cars, I've done for many flyers, but using Canva. Today I want to show you something different, so stay tuned to the end of this. So once you are done, you click on this plus button, you are okay with the background. So what is the next thing to do? You want to bring your texts, right? Already remember, this text came in when I clicked this A and I clicked on edit, right? Now this is where you are going to enter text. So in order for me not to waste time, I'm just going to copy a text and put it here, but you can type yours. Let's say clothing, kings, cap, kings, clothes line, right? This is it. You can see. So you can use this arrow to adjust it, or better still, you can scroll to look for text size. So with this arrow you can adjust the size. Are you getting it? So but if you don't want to go through it, you can still use this this dot here to adjust your size. It still works perfect. Are you getting it? So I'm going to be using it. I can use this one. So what am I going to do now that I've hit? Then you click on OK. Are you getting it? So I would like to bold it. So you look for bold. You can look for bold here. Now this it has highlighted it. What to bold? You bold it, and you click on OK. Right now, there's a font style I like using. So how do you locate it? This is the font style. This is the font style I like to use. So this is it. This particular one. I don't know if this one in the middle. Yes, that's the one I like using. But you are free to use any font style of your choice, but I prefer using this one. So you click on OK. You can see it. So you adjust it. Don't allow it to get to the extreme end of this thing. So you bring it somewhere around here. So what do I do? What do I do here next? So I go to stroke. If I click on stroke, I enable it. Now I will pick the outline I want. Now I want something related to this. Are you following? Now the eyes, I think it should be here. I'm not sure, but I'm going to check on it. Let me see. No, that's not it. Something related to this. and I'll still change the, okay, before I go to the outline, let me change the font color first before the outline, because now the font color, which color are we going to use for the font? You can select any color of your choice. You can select this. Now make sure you don't color riot it. Make sure you don't color riot what you are doing. Max 3 to 4 color is enough for the whole design, so don't color riot it. So this is it. Even though this is it, so what I will do is the color is, you need to edit this color again. Make it somehow dark. Yeah, I think it's better now. Then we'll now come to that stroke. Now this stroke, now that we have gotten the text color, now the stroke will now be easier for us to get. So we now look at stroke. So which stroke are we going for? I will go back so that I will know the color I want. So I want something related to this. It should be here already. It should be here, but in case you don't find it, all you need to do is, okay, white stroke will still work perfect, but let's see. Good. White stroke is still okay. I hope you can see the effect now. So you increase the stroke outline to, let's say, 5, 6, 7 is okay, to 8 max. I think it's okay now. Right, then now click on OK. So what I'll be doing next is I will bring in my images before I will continue with anything again. I'll bring in my images. So I'll click on this center. I've already explained it before. So I'll click on this center. I'll go to import. I'll click on import. When I click on import, now wait for it. So remember, we are designing a flyer for clothing line. So I will tap on this. Now I'll take ratio 1:1. That's the one I like using, either 1:1 or 4:3. These are the ones I like using, or you can still use 3:4 depending on what you are doing. Are you getting me? So let's take 1:1, so we can adjust it. Then you click on OK. Now this is it. Watch what I'm going to do next. I'm going to reduce this size, then I'll duplicate it by copying. Remember, I'm still active on this image, so I'll just copy it. It will duplicate, right? You have seen it. So what I will do is I will keep this one by the side, then I'll drag this one. I'll bring it here. I'll drag this. I hope you are following what I'm doing. I'll drag it. Then I'll now come to the opacity. Then I'll click on opacity. Then I'll reduce the opacity to, let's say, 5%. Yes, I'll reduce it to 5%. Let's say this is 12%. I'm going to 5. Yeah, 5% is okay, or 4% is still okay. So that is that. Done. I hope it's making sense now. So I'll now drag this one. I would like to keep it here. Let me import other images. So now I'll go out, I'll click outside, then I'll import another one. I've imported this one. I will import this. So 1:1. Okay, I think 1:1. We are interested in the head gear, not the lady. The lady is not our point of focus, but the head gear. So we'll click on it. So Okay, if I bring it here now, this lady cannot be facing this side, and this app, I've tried to search for the flip. I can't find the flip, so because of that, I'll be taking these images this side and reduce it, then bring this one here, reduce it as well. I would have loved to take it here, but because I didn't find flip, so that's why I'm taking the image in this direction. It doesn't have flip, so I'll take this one here. Now increase, bring it front like this. Good. Now continue. I will bring in others so that we will know their positions. I will import the bag. I will import the bag. Now 1:1. Okay. This one I've got background. Okay. To remove this background, I've made a video on how to remove background, image background. Please, I'll drop the link in the description so you can go learn how to remove image background in case you stumble on any image with background like this. It shouldn't be a problem. Just go through the link, I'll be dropping it below, or you go through my videos and you'll find how to remove image background. Yes, so continue. So I'll just drop this one because of the image here, but we are still going to make use of it. I will bring it here. I will import another image. I will import the shoe 1:1, don't forget, but this will not contain, so I'll go for 4:3. 4:3, so it's okay now. So 4:3. So this is what I'll be doing. I'm going to click on this out here, click on shapes. If I click on shapes, I'll get a square shape, right? If I get a square shape, of don't radius the edges. If you click on this radius, the edges will become curved. I don't want the edges to be curved, or maybe you can apply a little curve for them. So then the opacity, I'm going to reduce the opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity to, let's say, 50%. No, let's say 70. Okay, let's see how 70 looks. No. Okay, let's say 90 is okay. Now that I've done that, so you can just okay it. Then I'll now come to the stroke. When I click on stroke, I'll enable it. Now I will look for any of this color. It can be green, it can be red, it can be yellow. So, and use it as the stroke. So what I'm going to do is I will look for already existing color here so that we don't have color riots. So let's say this dark green. Now watch what I'm going to do. This dark green here. Then I'll now come here and increase the stroke width to 5 is okay. Now 5 is okay. So I'll now okay it. Then I'll now go to size. Where is the size? Relative size here. Then I'll now make it let's say 2019 or 20. Okay, 2016 is too big. 1915. Okay, 1814 is still okay. 1814 is okay for all of them. So what I will do here is I will bring it here and I'll copy it again. Go to copy, I'll copy it, okay. I'll bring it here again. Remember, they are all the same size. I'm just doing it to get a uniform size. I'll copy, I'll bring it depending on how many images you have. I'll copy it again. I'm doing this depending on the number of images you have to put here. Are you following? I'm not doing it for doing sake. Make sure they all have the same distance apart. Now this is it. The boxes are too big. They are too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it and redo it again. So you have just known what I'm doing. So I'm going to pause this video and do it so that it will not be too long. So all adjusted. So follow me. This is what I'm going to do next after you have done your boxes. So I'll just click on this shape. I'll bring it here and I'll adjust it this way. I'll take it here. I'll adjust it. Are you following? Then I will now go to the opacity of it. Increase it. Once I increase it, okay. What I will do is I will send it to back. I'll OK it, then I'll send it to back. Are you getting it? Now, this is what I have done. I hope you are following me. Now, I'm adjusting it here. Good. And I'll take this one to back as well. This one to back. Good. Now this thing is making sense now. So I hope you are following what I'm doing. So what I will do next is now I will now adjust these bags to fit into these boxes and import other images. So what I'm going to do now is I will adjust this one. When I adjust this one, I'll bring it here. Make sure it fits. Bring it here, then to front. Adjust it. In case you are finding it difficult to adjust because of the size, I told you can use relative size to adjust it. Are you getting it? You can use relative size to adjust it. So if you have adjusted it and you are still finding it difficult to position it, you can still go to relative positioning. No, not relative positioning. Positioning, not relative positioning. You can go use positioning to position it the way you want it. Are you following what I'm doing? So we are done with this one. Even though it's not, you can still position it again this way. So we'll do this one, adjust this, and bring it here. Then we'll bring to front. We'll bring it to front to adjust it here. Okay, you can use relative size to reduce it and fit it in. This one is okay. So I'm going to be importing other images as well. So I will import other images. So I will import this one. So we have limited images, we have two just to import. Okay, no problem. So I will import this one. I'll use square. So okay, now this is what I will do with this. this is what I will do with this. I will copy this. Now it's now 2, so this is what I will do with this one. I will use this round edge here to rotate it. I will rotate this one. If I rotate it, I will bring it here. Are you following what I'm doing? So I'll come to 3D rotate. So this is what I'm going to do. I add this and I'll bring it. I want to rotate it better. I want to rotate it. Sorry. Then I want to yeah, this is what I want. So that's it. So I will now drag it here. I will use this rotate to rotate it this way. Oh, good. I'll now take it here. Bring it here. It's okay. Voila, it's okay like this. So then this particular one, remember, you can just be creative. Once you are creative, you are good to go. So I'll now adjust this one to fit into this box. Good. I think it's okay. So we import the other one. Let's see. I think this is it. So this I can use. Can I use? Okay, I can use 1:1 for it as well. Okay, it's okay. So we'll reduce it also. And fit it in here. It's fitted, even though it looks small, but it's still okay, but one-sided. So we can use position to move it to the center. That is it. So I will do something again. I would like to copy this particular one, but if you can see, it's not well adjusted here, so I'm going to adjust it using position. So I'll position it very well. Are you getting it? So what I'm going to do is, now I will want to bring in my text. So I'll just arrange it the way I want it to be, then pause it to bring in my text. So what I'm going to do now is shapes. I'll click on shapes. Once I click on shape, this is where I want it to be. I'll bring it here and I'll apply radius curve to it. I hope you're following me. 10% to 13% is okay, the curves. Then I'll now reduce the opacity. I'll reduce the opacity to 60% to 70. I think this is okay. Yeah. Then I will now go out. I think okay. So this is what we have. So I will now bring in another shape again. Same shape. I'm going to bring it. So I don't like using this thing, but you can use it. So I'm still going to apply the radius to it. When I apply the radius to it, it's too round. Yeah, and it's too wide, so reduce it. Don't worry, you know what we'll use it for. So then you now reduce the opacity small to, let's say, 95%. let's say 95 is still okay. 95 opacity is okay. So that is it. So adjust it to fit in here. Okay, this is it. You can use your positioning. Once it gets smaller like this, you can use your positioning to position it to where you want it to be. Yeah, I think it's okay now. No, I'll still have to position it the other way. Good. It's okay. So I'll bring in my text. I'll bring in my text now. So I'll just going to bring in the first one. So I'll pause this video. So to add the text, you click on here, like I've already explained before. So you click on the plus. So I'm going to add what we sell here. Just watch, then edit. So I've already typed in, I have a customized text, so paste it here and we'll bring it here. So this is what we just, as you can see, is white. So we want to reduce it. So come here to the text size and the text font is still okay. Let's see, let's change the color first before we go to color. So we have black here, we can still use black here. So we bold it. So after it, we bold it, bold the color, we bold it. So now adjust it. This is where we want it to be. I want it to be here. As you can see, it's bigger than this thing. We reduce it and put it. I think this is it. So there's something I did not add. You know, some clothing line, they have slogans, or let's say what they are known for. So I'll be adding it here. So all I need to do is it's already on text. It's already on text. I'll add another text here. Then I'll click on edit. So you can add a slogan like this, something like this, and you click on OK. So this is it. So you can bring it here. So you reduce the size. Reduce the size here. Now just watch what I'm going to do next. So after positioning it here, so what do? So we will change the font color to we'll make it black. Are you getting it? This is black. Then also we go to background, text background. Look at text background, T background here. You can give it a background, enable background. So the background here, we can use white background so that to bring out the black. So you can use white background. Are you getting it? Now, how are you seeing it? Is it making sense? Of course it's making sense. So now look at the padding. Are we going to add padding? Left padding, right padding, 3. I think it's okay. So top padding, make it no top padding. Remove the top padding, but down bottom padding, we can add the bottom padding. Then radius, we add radius as well. So that's okay. I think what next we need to do is the font is okay, but the font is okay, the size is okay, the padding is okay. So what do we need to do? Let me click out first. Okay, it's still okay, but it's still interfering with the other one. So I'll use position to bring it down. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, this is it. So I think we have something like this. So I'm now going to bring the text that will fill into this box that we have created here. So I'm just going to put in the text here. So edit. So I've entered the text. So what I'll do is I will bring it, as you can see, this is white. So I'll now change the font size and the font color. So first of all, I would like to change the font color. Let's see the color to same black. Okay, so but this time let the we'll bold it. Then we'll now come to the text size. We'll reduce the size. Then I'll adjust it to fit here. Then we'll reduce it. I think it's somehow adjusted. So using the text size, adjust it. I'll be adjusting the text. So what I'll do is I'll go to the alignments, spacing. I'm going to space it out. I think that's okay. Then also I'm going to space it out this way. Okay, so that it will fit it. Alright, so that is it. As you can see, this one is too long, that's why it have to jump here. The same thing here, the same thing here. So let's see if I can adjust it. This way. If I have to do it this way, then it will not enter. It will be something like this. So what I will do is I will have to break it. I'll have to break it and put it something like this. I hope you understand, but your own, you can do it better. You can do your own better. So here now I'm going to adjust this to fit in here. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Yeah, this is it. I think it's making sense now. So what next? I will go back to this and bring in shapes again. I'll bring in shapes. After bringing these shapes, I'll take it down here. I'm going to be using it, don't worry. You see what I want to use it for. I'll bring it down. When I bring it down, then I'll send it backward. No, just put it then to back. This is where I'll put in my address, social media handle, and and phone numbers. So I'm going to type them, but I'll do that offline. Here I've added the address at the bottom. I have added the text. So what I'll do now is I'm now going to edit it. I'll go to text size. So So reduce the size. You see it? So I'll go to the color, still give it black, then still bold it, then drag it down. Then this one, I'm going to bring this one up so that this one. So just watch what I'm going to do now. I'll go to the line spacing. Reduce the line spacing. And take this one here. I will still remove this star. Okay, I'm finding value in this. Then adjust it to somewhere around this. Are you getting it? Here. Then this, I will now bring it here. Yes, our design is ready. If you find value in this, please subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you. So after you have finished design, all you need to do is come to the top, this place, you click it. Once you click it, you can save as image. So you select what you want to save it as, you save to gallery. That's all. You can also save as project so that you can continue your editing the next time you come, in case you are not able to finish it. So you can save it as project so that you can continue anytime you want to continue with your design. Thank you very much. Till I come.